Right now we're checking out the LG UltraGear 32-inch OLED 4K gaming monitor. Now this may look like a normal gaming monitor, but it has some cool features. Right now, this is running at 240 Hertz, 4K, and just keep in mind, LG is the only one putting out 240 Hertz OLED monitors. While that refresh rate is great for regular gaming, what if you're an FPS player and you need even more for your refresh rates? Check this out. There's a button right down here. Press it, and instantly we go to 480 Hertz. Now, it is not 4K, but obviously it looks great, and this may not translate well on video, but to my eyes, like, you can just see the difference. It is remarkable. So the LG UltraGear 32 is a 32-inch 4K OLED. Response time is 0.03 milliseconds, which is super fast. We also have VESA Display HDR True Black 440 certification. And it doesn't matter if your PC packs an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, it'll work on both of those. With design, there are a few changes as well. The stand has been redesigned to be more flat instead of a V shape. What's good about that is that now you have more space to work with. You could keep stuff here if you want. It's also very thin, so I like that, very cool. It keeps the LED lighting. This is really, really cool. And I also like how easy it is to position the monitor exactly where you want it. So it lifts up and down nice and smoothly along the stand. And it also has a hole right here. You can stick all your cables, so nice cable management there. Another feature that's really cool is pixel sound, where basically you actually get sounds coming from wherever action is happening on screen. Like if there's an explosion here, you'll hear it from there. If there's an explosion here, so on and so forth. That just makes it just that much more immersive. You don't need a sound bar or anything, and the actual sound quality itself is really good. Deep bass, loud, it's great. The actual panel itself resonates the audio. When you're this close, not only can you hear everything in crystal clarity, but it's actually hard to hear what's around you. It's so immersive, but even though it's loud, it's not like overbearing. So it's really impressive. And I'm hearing every single little thing happening all over the screen. It's great. Right now, it's coming right at me. It just is so cool. All right, now that is awesome. I've never seen a monitor do this type of stuff. This is gonna be a really special one, but obviously we need to get it into our testing lab and see what it's all about. But I think this could be one of the coolest monitors yet. But I wanna know what you have to say, so make sure you sound off in the comments. I will read all the comments. I wanna see what you guys have to say. For more, make sure you head over to tomsguide.com and also follow us on socials at tomsguide. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.